Hello guys, welcome back to the channel Learn Think Right. We are seeing JavaScript and in this video we will be seeing if statement, if else statement and if else if again else. Okay. So we'll start with if. Where are we using if? The situation in which you want to check for some condition, then you are using if statement, and this is the syntax of checking if if. Okay. Then condition, okay, that can be greater than, less than, greater than or equals to, or equals to. So here we are checking whether a is greater than b or not, and we are taking two variables a and b. A I am assigning value 1 and b is 5, and then we are checking whether a is greater than b. If suppose a is greater than b, in that case it will just write document dot write, we are writing a is greater. Okay. And in case we have to check again for whether b is greater or not, in that situation we are going to check else if b is greater than a. We have to write the word else. Okay, this is a keyword else if b greater than a, then document dot write b is greater. And if suppose in the third condition, if the both are equal, what in that case? So for that we are using one more else, and that is not having any condition, because by default if a is not greater, b is not greater, then there is only one possibility, that they are equal. So in that case we are printing equal. Now let us see how it is displayed. Now here, as a is 1 and b is 5, it will be displaying b is greater. If suppose I am assigning a to 11 and b 5, in that case, as you can see, a is greater. And one more condition also we are going to check here. If suppose I assign equal values to both of them, in that case, as you can see, the output equal. So this was about the if statement, else if statement in JavaScript. We'll see more in upcoming videos. For that, subscribe the channel. Thank you.